Hey, this is Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com. I wanted to create a quick video to promote the KadenceWP theme. They recently developed a LifterLMS integration for some styling options inside of LifterLMS that's pretty neat. And so if you're using LifterLMS on your site, this might be a good free theme to check out. So if I hop over to my sample website here, this page is built with Elementor, but if we hop over to the LifterLMS student dashboard page, that's a key page that the theme really controls a lot of. You can see here Kadence by default will stack things on the sidebar, these tabs, and if I hop into the customizer, we have all sorts of options for how we lay out all of the LifterLMS pages. Right there, there's that LifterLMS section, and we have some user dashboard options such as columns for courses and memberships. We can align this sidebar on the left side if we wanted to. I can also align it on the top and have all sorts of customization options there. And the same applies for all of these LifterLMS pages with lesson layout. You can see there's all sorts of stuff to dive into if you want a header, if you don't want a header, and aligning titles and all sorts of different elements you can include here in layouts. This is especially useful if you're not using a page builder like Elementor, but if you are, you can still take advantage of styling on pages like the student dashboard. Let's take a look at a course too. Another key thing when looking at a theme for LifterLMS is what does the syllabus look like on a course? And you can see here it's a pretty clean layout. It just stacks things here with your sections and lessons ordered like that. It's a pretty good look. And yeah, so you can find the theme here at KadenceWP.com. If you go to View Themes, view details for their top theme right here, the Kadence WordPress theme, and we can get a free download on the site right here. All right, there we go. Free download, just pop in your email or just download the zip file here. You can upload that to your site and check out how it looks. Let me know in the comments below and give this video a like if you want to see more content around LifterLMS and KadenceWP and all the different things you can do within these settings here and what kind of layouts you can create with LifterLMS and KadenceWP. So yeah, this has been Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.